Deep beneath the Earth, natural gas begins its long journey toward becoming liquefied natural gas. At the well pad, raw gas is separated from water and condensate before moving onward. Gathering pipelines collect the gas across the extraction field under high pressure. Compressor stations boost the gas pressure for efficient long-distance transport. Field processing removes moisture and prepares the gas for the main facility. Transmission pipelines carry the treated gas toward the coastal liquefaction plant. The gas arrives at the secured perimeter of the large LNG production facility. High-pressure pipelines deliver the gas into the heart of the processing plant. Inlet metering stations accurately measure the incoming natural gas flow. Acid gas removal towers strip out carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide. Dehydration beds remove remaining water vapor from the gas stream. Dehydration beds remove remaining water vapor from the gas stream. Dehydration beds remove remaining water vapor from the gas stream. Pre-cooling heat exchangers begin lowering the gas temperature significantly. The gas now enters the main liquefaction trains of the facility. This is the sprawling coastal LNG liquefaction plant where the transformation happens. Security checkpoints control access to the high-risk industrial zones. Internal roads lead workers and gas flow deeper into the process areas. Massive liquefaction train modules dominate the facility exterior. Workers enter the main process buildings through heavy industrial doors. Inside, the gas moves from outdoor pipelines into controlled indoor sections. Initial treating zones prepare the gas for cryogenic processing. Inlet filters remove the last solid particles and liquid droplets. Amine contactors complete the final sweetening of the natural gas. Molecular sieves thoroughly dehydrate the gas before cooling. Guard beds eliminate trace mercury and other contaminants. Turbo expanders separate valuable heavier hydrocarbons. Pre-cooling brings the gas closer to its liquefaction point. The purified gas is now ready for the core cryogenic stage. In the main heat exchangers, natural gas begins its final deep cooling. Temperatures drop rapidly toward negative 160 degrees Celsius. Flash separation divides liquid LNG from remaining vapor. Subcooling completes the transformation into full liquid state. Freshly made LNG flows through insulated lines to storage tanks. Large atmospheric storage tanks receive the cryogenic liquid. Tank levels rise as the first volumes of LNG are secured. Boil-off gas is captured and reliquefied to minimize losses. Compressors and reliquefaction units keep the product stable. Stabilization columns ensure consistent LNG composition. Density and composition are precisely adjusted for export. Cryogenic pumps move the LNG toward the loading terminal. Loading arms are prepared and cooled for safe ship connection. The system stands ready for controlled transfer to the carrier. The central control room coordinates every automated process. Operators monitor the distributed control system in real time. Automation maintains precise conditions inside the liquefaction trains. Tank levels and boil-off systems run under full automatic control. Safety interlocks protect the entire facility at every moment. Loading arms and jetty operations are precisely automated. All plant systems integrate into one unified control platform. Final metering ensures accurate quantity measurement before loading. Loading lines are carefully cooled down to cryogenic temperatures. Loading arms connect with precision to the ship's manifold. Flow rates and quality are tightly controlled during transfer. Vapor is returned from the ship to maintain pressure balance. Online analyzers verify composition throughout the loading. Precision systems confirm the batch meets all specifications. Continuous analyzers monitor every critical parameter in real time. Laboratory teams collect spot samples for detailed verification. In the on-site lab, samples undergo rigorous testing procedures. Gas chromatography reveals the exact molecular composition. All results are reviewed against international quality standards. The batch receives final quality certification and release. Storage tanks hold the finished LNG under careful monitoring. Final inventory and documentation confirm the completed batch. Loading to the carrier ship reaches its final stages. Loading arms are safely disconnected after transfer completion. Shipping documents and quality certificates are finalized. The fully loaded LNG carrier prepares to depart the terminal. And this is how modern factories produce LNG from start to finish.